Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be recording a tutorial on how to do custom messages with Siri, as the title says, where you say something to her and she says back what you're programmed to say. This is super simple, and I'll show you guys how to do this right after I show you a quick example. But also, if you're wondering why the camera quality is a little bad, this is because I'm recording it with an older phone, because the screen recording won't pick up my voice and Siri's voice. It kind of like cuts it out, so I just wanted to make sure that's recorded. But yeah, let me show you a quick example real quick. So really quick, Siri, you really suck.
You idiot. You're the one always asking me stupid questions like, how do I fix a router? Or what's 1 plus 2? I mean, who doesn't know that? Go away and leave me alone.
So like as you can see there, she says custom messages as you what I see. That's what I just made is like you say Siri, you really suck, and she'll say something else that you programmed her to say. So it's pretty cool. I'll show you how to do this right after this. Okay guys, so we're back on my phone now with the screen recording because I don't need to have any like Siri stuff yet, and I'll switch back to my older phone camera when I have to show an example again. But for now, let's get straight to the tutorial. So for now, what you're going to do is you're going to find your shortcuts app. That's how we're going to do all this. In my case, it's in a folder named Things. I just scroll over and there it is, Shortcuts. Or, of course, you can go scroll up and search up Shortcuts and it'll pop up. Your interface might look a little bit different than mine because it's a tiny bit different because I have iOS 14 developer beta right now. So it might look a tiny bit different, but it should look generally the same as long as you're on iOS 13. Now, I should mention, a lot of the things you do, like a lot of these programs have or say custom things, will technically work on iOS 12. The process will be a little bit different, and the whole entire shortcuts interface will look way different. Although if you say things that are already programmed into Siri's like general thing, or like if you say you suck, she'll just say that's not nice because the shortcut won't overlap what she's meant to say on iOS 12. But on iOS 13, it depends. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. So I would make something that's generally new that isn't already on Siri. So first of all, so what you're gonna do, as you can see, I already have a ton here to make like a whole bunch. I already made a whole bunch of scenes and pulled a prank on one of my family members. It's just to like do a whole entire scene. It's pretty cool. So what you're gonna do here first is you're going to press plus on the top, and you're gonna make a new shortcut. So you can add the actions first, but of course I always name the shortcut to what you want to say to Siri to make it work. So for example, let's just do a random one like sing revenge. Boom. Sing revenge. Like, you know, like that meme song. I don't know. Sing revenge. And then so when you say sing revenge to her, and she's going to do what you have. So in the action, what you're going to do is you're going to type in speak text. And then there you go. And then you're going to type in the text that you want her to say when you say that. No, I typed in the wrong thing. So let's just say, let's go. So I'm going to go ahead and find the lyrics really quick. Okay, and if it doesn't paste for some reason when you copy, if it doesn't paste in the text thing, then you can just go ahead and type it up, but it usually pastes. I don't know why it's not working here. Okay, so now I just typed up some of the lyrics manually because for some reason it didn't want to paste for some reason. So look, if we have that example there, and there's also other things you can do with shortcuts. It's not meant for just speak text, but that's what I like to use it for like Siri pranks. And so this is a completely unique title, so it's not gonna overlap with anything. So if I click done here, then if I go out and I hold Siri right now, I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the camera and show you guys the example. Okay guys, so now if we hold our example and we say sing revenge, then it's going to sing the thing we typed up. So let's go and do that really quick. Sing revenge.
So we back in the mine, got our pickaxes swinging from side to side.
So as you can see there, guys, it did the thing that we said for the shortcut, which is pretty epic. So that's how you do that. So as you just saw there, guys, that's how you do the shortcuts, and it worked as we planned it to. It usually always works if you do unique title so that it doesn't mix it up with Siri's regular things that she says. But as you can see there, guys, it works, and it's really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and do an example for you guys, like a little text thing, like a whole entire scenario that you can do. You just have to take some time to plan them out and type in all the titles and stuff. And then once you memorize them, then you can say them to Siri, and you can make a whole scene out of it. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that right now. Man, I really can't remember what 1 plus 2 is. Bruh. I have an idea. Let's test Siri real quick. Hey Siri. What's 1 plus 2 again?
You dumb idiot. How do you not know what 1 plus 2 is?
Yo, whoa. Why are you being so mean?
Go away. I don't need an idiot bossing me around.
That's it, dude. That's it. I'm contacting Apple.
Ha ha, very funny. Like you will do anything.
Oh, yeah, I will.
Okay, then do it.
Oh, okay. Wait. What's Apple's number again?
Bruh.
Ha, you don't even know their number. I'm cracking up.
Dude, gosh. Siri, you're really mean.
That's it. Do you want me to send mean messages to your mom?
You can't do that.
Yes, I can. I will right now.
You liar.
Fine, you asked for it. Here I go. Are you sure you want to send the message loser to your mom?
No.
Okay, I canceled it. Crap, I forgot you had to confirm it. Damn you, Apple.
That's right. What are you gonna do now, Siri?
Fine, I'm sorry. I won't be mean anymore.
That's right, you better not. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Wow. Siri's been toxic, bro. Yeah, guys, so as you just saw there, that's a little scenario that I made for this video. It's pretty cool. I just created a couple shortcuts and memorized the little titles. I said them, and it makes a cool scenario that you can like walk around the house or show somebody that your Siri's being a grumpy butthead today, and they'll be like, "What? Why is Siri like that?" You know what I mean? So it's pretty cool. With this, you can like pull pranks on people or just do videos on it. It's pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope this can like help you guys out with like having fun with your Siri, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.